Hello everyone. In this video, we focus on an open work stitch that I've been wanting to write for a long time. It has a beautiful texture and mesh structure. The knit is clean of details, it looks laconic and elegant, and the light tones suit it very well. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 4 rows. It is knitted based on a twisted elastic band 1/1. We're getting started from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, slip the edge loop and repeat, knit 1, purl 1 twisted, from the back side of the loop. Again, knit 1, purl 1 twisted. Again, knit 1, purl 1 twisted. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, slip the edge loop and repeat, make a twisted decrease by knitting 2 loops together, from the back side of the loop. This way, we reduce the number of loops by half. Again, make a twisted decrease by knitting 2 loops together. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. Row 3 wrong side, restore the number of loops. Repeat, make a yarn over loop. Purl 1 loop twisted. Again, make a yarn over loop, purl 1 loop twisted. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. Row 4 right side, knit twisted elastic band 1/1 by repeating, knit 1 loop twisted, purl 1 loop, knit 1 loop twisted, purl 1 loop. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. So, repeating these 4 rows we get this easy to do open work that can decorate any summer garment or accessory. The knit is perfect for cardigans, blouses, throws and scarves. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.